Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn marketing online. First, define your specific marketing interests, whether it's social media, content creation, or SEO. Next, dive into the vast world of free online content. Many experts share valuable insights through articles and video tutorials. This initial exploration helps you grasp fundamental concepts and discover what truly excites you in the marketing landscape. It's a great way to build a solid foundation before committing to more advanced training. To truly learn marketing, hands-on experience is crucial. Familiarize yourself with key platforms such as Google Analytics for website insights and Meta Business Suite for social media management. Start creating your own content, perhaps a blog post, a short video, or a social media campaign. Don't be afraid to experiment and analyze the results. Understanding metrics like engagement rates and conversion percentages will refine your strategies and build confidence in your abilities. Networking is a powerful tool for online marketing professionals. Join online communities and engage with peers on platforms like LinkedIn. Participating in virtual workshops and webinars keeps you informed about the latest strategies and emerging technologies. The digital marketing world evolves rapidly, so continuous learning is not just beneficial, it's essential. Regularly reading industry blogs and following thought leaders ensures your skills remain sharp and relevant in this dynamic field. As you advance, explore specialized marketing software for tasks like advanced SEO analysis or marketing automation. These tools can significantly boost your efficiency and impact. Earning certifications from recognized institutions can also validate your expertise and open new career doors. Remember, a comfortable and productive environment supports learning. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Keep learning and applying your knowledge to achieve your marketing goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.